So this is Mechanics Homework Booklet, questions 14 and 15. We're told for question 14 a car accelerates uniformly at rest along a straight road, and we're asked which graph shows the variation of displacement of the car with time t. So we've got displacement time graphs. What do we know about that? We know that the gradient shows the velocity. We're told the car is accelerating uniformly, therefore we know the velocity is increasing, therefore I know that the gradient of the graph is increasing. In fact, it starts from rest, so the gradient should be starting at 0. Well, I've only got one graph where the gradient is increasing, showing the velocity is increasing, and that is B. So the answer to question 14 must be B. If we move on to question 15, interesting question this. We've got an object being dropped from a cliff. How far does it fall in the third second? So that's the key point. Not how long does it fall until the end of the third second, so at 3 seconds, but in the third second. So that means how far does it go from when t equals 2 seconds to when t equals 3 seconds. Well, I know acceleration, I know initial velocity is 0, and I want to know displacements. I'm not interested in v, final velocity, so I'm going to use s equals ut plus a half at squared, the equation which doesn't have v in it. I know that u is 0, therefore I've got that s is a half at squared. So at 2 seconds, taking g equals 10, s is a half times 10 times 2 squared. That works out to 20 meters. At 3 seconds, a half times 10 times 3 squared, which works out as 45. So the distance that's travelled in the third second from the end of 2 seconds when it was at 20 meters to the end of 3 seconds when it was at 45 is the difference between is 25 meters, which makes the answer C. So that's the Mechanics Homework Booklet questions 14 and 15.